A little tidbit for you. If you want to analyse your reports, if you click on View and then Performance Analyzer and press Start Recording, if you click on Refresh Visuals, it will refresh all of your visuals, and sometimes when you've got many on the screen, it can be difficult to work out which one it is if you haven't named them appropriately. But what you can do is you can clear, and as you hover over, you see you've got your three buttons, but you've also got these little small buttons here. Analyze this visual. So when you click on Analyze this visual, it brings up just this one particular visual. And then when you open it, you can see you can run the DAX in the query view, or you can copy the query. And then if you're working in a tool like Tabular Editor, then you can pull the query into your Tabular Editor model. And you can click on DAX View here. You can see your DAX query, and you can enter your DAX query into your tabular model. So it's a nice simple way, instead of having many and having to actually try and work out which one's which, you hover over and it's got a little analyse this visual, which will then enable you to either run it in DAX Query View or copy the query and run it into your report. Okay, hope that helps.